FMOC gamers. We've been hearing some very weird noises. And Lemur and Zigzag are missing. They've probably been taken by aliens. Aliens do not exist.
Okay.
Yes, they do. And you'll see my proof.
Guys. First of all, I have...
We'll do that at the end.
Duke is the best animal detective. He'll know what happened. So what's happening? You heard some noises. Zigzag and Lemur went away.
Yeah.
And there's this wobble battle.
They've been taken by aliens.
There's a wobble battle happening, and the mystery clock came. Okay. Well, first, I just have to say, you're lucky that you're not missing the wobble battle because it's actually pretty good. That has nothing to do with anything else.
Does that have to do with Pink Panda?
No. The guy who runs the wobble battle is the piggy bank.
Piggy banks? Piggy banks don't even talk.
Yes, I do.
Wait, guys. That's my agent lost brother.
Anyway, so, have you guys realized the spider's not there anymore?
What spider?
The spider that hooks on there.
Where did it go? Wait, I think it just fell off or something. I think it just fell off.
If he fell off, he would have been on the floor. He's not on the floor.
No, maybe somebody was walking, Maybe it was like, let's say right here, and then he was walking and maybe went under the bed.
Okay, anyway, the spider has, arms. So they can...
The spider's arms are not even alive. Yeah, we got that caught. We got that.
You know what? Just look up.
Look up.
The spider's there with Zigzag and Lemur.
What the? You can't even see it. You guys can...
I have good eyesight.
Why did you even see that?
Because I'm a detective.
What's that sound?
Anyway,
it's probably just that Wolfie's kissing, maybe.
Then they saw that Wolfie's kissing.
Hey, Wolfie's. Are you guys kissing?
No.
That's strange. And who's kissing?
Anyway, let's go get Lemur and Zigzag.
Meanwhile, what is out, you creepy spider?
Let's go.
Let's just... Hey, stop. Ouch.
It's fine. Just save them and get these two back. And now...
Okay, guys, before this video ends, Oscar and Duke just went in that room, and hey, guys,